The career's more at stake. Fuck that paper, baby, mama's on the dotted line.
Wow.
I've been
Great
flying out of
reflexes.
town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on the now. But I'm sipping out the Gucci, even Rico Brown. I'm the one that
Uncle Jerry?
introduced you to the music now. Oh my God, that be baby. Well, alright, tryna fight in the night. Come alive, ain't it sleep? Ain't it, ain't it, ain't it?